know if you guys can remember, a little while ago, Amazon had something called Spark. And that was Amazon's attempt at a social media platform integrated with Amazon. And they invested about $500 million on that. And it was an unmitigated disaster. Like, it was just a flat out shitty, didn't work at all. However, they basically shut down that, and this is basically the replacement for it, which is Posts. And it's in beta right now, as you can tell. So you gotta kind of you apply for it. You can only get it if you are brand registered. So right now it's only brand registered, which means you need a trademark. And if you've ever used Instagram, then you'll be very, very familiar with the layout of it, because for all intents and purposes, it's a rip-off of Instagram for Amazon. That's for all intents and purposes what it is. What does it do? Well, it is you post images. So right now it's only images. You can't post anything else. It's just images, and you post them, and they show up like within the search. You can see what's happening here within the search of the actual search engine results page. So I wonder if we can find one for you. See this Prime Wardrobe? Holy shit, that's such a good idea. Let's see, how can I find you one? What will I know we'll definitely have without giving away mine? Outdoor barbecue. Let's try that. So here's a search for outdoor barbecue, and let's just see if we can find one. So you've got all this sponsored stuff, and it all looks pretty normal. Is it going to be here? Bestsellers? No. Today's deals? Well, that sucks. It doesn't show me. Every now and again, you will see what look like articles and look like scrolling images within the search, and it's brand new, but that's what it is. That's how it looks. It's unfortunate I can't show you one, but I can't show you mine, so not yet anyway. So that's what it looks like, and what it is, it's based upon, hopefully you would have been paying attention to this as well. I'll give you the link for that. Send to all. Amazon is very, very big into influencers. So their whole influencer marketing is just going nuts right now. And I don't know if you've seen this. So you can sign up to become an influencer, and you should, by the way. Sign up to become an influencer, send to all. So yeah, they've gone big into it. Like, this is their celebrity influencers. I mean, it's just crazy. Like, you should go and have a look what they're doing. It's really, really smart. But then you've also got these mini influencers within a much narrower niche. And that's what is going on with regards to Amazon Post. Its ability for these influencers to go in there and set things up and to integrate with brands to make sales for brands, because that's where Amazon's really, really going it. I'm doing it right now. It's crap. The jury is definitely out on it. But as always, you got to kind of test these things out and see what happens. It's all images. We're posting twice a day. What else can I tell you? And you can link directly from your posts to your products, which is cool. The reporting's pretty crap at the minute. Yeah, and right now it's not really doing much. But that doesn't mean to say it's not going to do much. But that right now, that's what it's doing. Just to give you that Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.